Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use replace blocks in Litomatica. This powerful feature lets you efficiently change one block type to another across your entire schematic. Imagine needing to convert all your stone blocks to cobblestone. Replace blocks make this task incredibly simple and fast. It's a fantastic tool for quickly adapting your builds or correcting material choices without rebuilding sections. To begin, open your Litomatica main menu, usually by pressing the M key. From there, head over to the Schematic Rebuild tab. You'll find an option labeled Replace Blocks. Click on this to open the setup window. Here, you'll see two slots, one for the block you want to replace, the From block, and another for the new block, the To block. Once you have carefully selected both your From and To blocks, double-check your choices to prevent any unintended changes. With your selections confirmed, simply click the Perform Replacement button. Litomatica will then process your schematic, swapping out all instances of the old block for the new one. It's a quick process, often taking only a few seconds for even large schematics. For best results, always make a backup of your schematic before initiating any large-scale block replacements. This ensures you can revert if anything goes awry. If you are unsure about a complex replacement, try it on a smaller, less critical schematic first. Also, consider using the Ignore NBT option for straightforward block swaps, as it simplifies the process by disregarding specific block data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.